Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Dear students, please open your books, chapter number 2, page number 48. Our today topic is comparing fish and frogs. Dear students, in this lesson, I am going to discuss about parts of frog. Dear students, observe a frog. These are the parts of frogs. Number 1, nostril. Dear student, frog breathe through the nostril. Second is eye. Third is ear. And fourth is moist skin. Dear students, frogs do not have a body covering like fish. Instead, they have moist skin. Frogs breathe and absorb water through their moist skin. The fifth one are hind legs and forelegs. Dear students, a frog has a head, body and 4 legs. The 2 hind legs are longer and stronger than the 4 legs. They help the frogs to jump very far. And the last are webbed feet. Dear students, some frogs have webbed feet. The webbed feet help them to swim in water. Some frogs use their webbed feet to help them glide through the air from tree to tree. How do frogs reproduce? Frogs reproduce by laying eggs in water. Their eggs are protected by jelly. Most frogs lay many eggs, but only a few of eggs will grow into young frogs. This is because most frogs do not take care of their eggs. Dear students, look at that diagram. This is life cycle of frog. Adult frog can live on land and in water. Frog lay eggs in water. Some eggs are hatched into tadpoles within 24 hours. Tadpoles look like a fish. Tadpoles develop external gills and after some days they develop internal gills and then develop hind legs and then develop all 4 legs. After few days front legs become stronger and tails become very shorter. Dear student, the tails become very short. The tail after few days the tail have gone. They become froglet. Dear student, a froglet is a tiny frog. It finally develops into adult frog. Dear student, this is the life cycle of frog. Come on, next slide. What do frogs eat? Tadpoles eat algae, water plants, frog eggs, and even other tadpoles. Adult frogs are carnivores. They eat insects and other small animals like spiders, snails, and worms. Some frogs have long sticky tongues which they can flick out very quickly to catch insects. Dear student, today our last topic is camouflage. Dear student, there is a stonefish in the photograph. It is difficult to spot it because the stonefish looks like stone and blends in very well with its surroundings of corals and rocks. The definition of camouflage: the blending in or merging of animals with their surroundings is called camouflage. Dear student, animals use camouflage to avoid being seen by other animals so that they will not be eaten. Camouflage can also help them to catch their prey. This is because their prey will not know of their presence even when they are nearby. Dear student, now I am going to give your homework. Please do workbook pages, page number 27, 28, 29, and 34. Dear student, now this is our end of lesson. Thank you and goodbye.